So this section here mostly is secular. You see the bowl and the lion. Actually, it looks like a big fountain there from the emperor's time period and the different gods at that point. So we're gonna walk down this time. This kind of a middle row on the right is the place used to have tables on the terrace area. But here again, you have a lot of secular stuff, but we do have a church symbol on this one. It's older, looks rubbed out. Looks like there was a cross there at that point. And then we also see in the middle, we see an old Justinian type pillar that takes place. It could have been part of the castle, or maybe where the tombs were listed. A lot of Greek writings, which to find out what they mean is very difficult these days. The lion symbol of many of the emperors' kingdoms in this area. So on the edge here, second from the end, is another pillar with a cross going that way. We have a double one, another one right there, cross there. So we keep going, we will have another one. So we're just hitting them left and right. Every one of these capitals is the top of a pillar that would be part of a grand entrance to a church area. So we have another, I think this is it. No, it's more of a symbolic one, but the second one is, the second one has the cross down there. Actually on this one, we go back to this one, and on this side actually there's the cross. So you can see sometimes they mix imagery, flowery imagery of eternity. And the third one is there, and the fourth one over there by that cat has a cross on that too.